Welcome, I am Joel and I am one of the wandering Hartz, and today we wanted to give you a little taste of what some of the different apartments might look like in Bansko Bulgaria. Essentially, if you're traveling as a digital nomad or a slow traveler, you probably want to see what you can expect. So stick around and we're going to show you a few apartments. So we spent the last 3 summers in Bansko Bulgaria. Now, you may have seen one of our other videos on the channel where we've shown a couple tours of the last places that we stayed at when we were over at like 4-Leaf Clover. But today we want to do something a little bit different. In fact, we have a bunch of friends that are in town this summer with us, and so they agreed to let us take a tour of their apartments. So I'm going to hand you off to Michelle, and she's going to take you through 2 different apartments in Bansko to kind of give you an idea of basically what they look like, pricing, as well as location. So here we go.
All right, so we are here in our first apartment tour, and our friend Tony has graciously let us come in and kind of show us around so you can get an idea of what another apartment looks like besides our apartment tours that we've shown. So yeah, if you want to just kind of talk about your price, what you paid for the month here, or are you staying for the 3 months?
Yeah,
okay,
so I'm here for 3 months.
Okay.
And when I started looking, I was looking on Bansko Owners Renting, the Facebook group.
Okay.
And so some friends had told me about that. Went on, started looking, and wanted to find somewhere that was big enough that I could work from. So found here. I pay €400 a month for the apartment. That does not include my water or electric, but it does include my Wi-Fi.
Okay.
And so water and electric for the month, probably around $30, a little bit less than $30.
Yeah.
So not bad at all.
Okay. Yeah. And then how fast is the internet, do you know?
The internet. So if I'm upstairs, it's a little bit slower, but
Okay.
down here when I'm close to the router, I can usually get somewhere between 60 and 80 up and down.
Okay. So that's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. So let's kind of then start in the kitchen tour. You've got kind of all your basics here.
Absolutely. A microwave
And
was
you
always
do
a
have-
must for me. Yeah. So I was like, yes, a microwave and a full-size refrigerator, because I noticed some places here didn't have it.
Yeah.
Oven, so I can cook, definitely the stovetop, and then everything that I needed was in the cabinets already, everything from plastic bags and things, so they stocked it really well for me.
Okay.
And knives that are actually sharp. That never happens, so super stoked about that. And then my washer was in here as well.
Yep.
But yeah, pretty much everything
Okay.
I needed was here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so you've got kettle, toaster even, and then you said everything's pretty much stocked. You've got plates.
I have
and-
plates and
okay.
cups and
Cool.
dishes and pots and pans. All of that was here too.
Okay,
But yeah,
great.
super easy.
And then the table.
Yeah, so this dining room table was super, super great to have because I started working down here a little bit because it was cooler. And it just folds up because once it has,
Nice.
once you open this door, it like gets a little bit small in here. So it's nice to be able to like push it to the side and you have more room.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, cool. And you've got your little kind of living area.
Yeah, really nice couch. Like I said, a little napping couch. So this is a super comfy couch and
it is
lots of sitting space. Yeah. Both of these turn into beds too. So if I did have like company, it would be great to have somewhere for them to stay if I needed to use that second bedroom too.
Okay, great. And then TV.
Yeah, TV. And then the plugs have like the USBs, so you can charge your phone while you're sitting on the couch, which is always nice. There's USBs by the bed in the bedroom too. So I was kind of stoked about that.
That is nice, actually. We haven't seen that really, so that's a perk.
Yeah,
to have.
absolutely.
Okay. So yeah, let's go upstairs and then we'll check out you've got 2 bedrooms up here.
2 bedrooms.
And 1 bath.
Definitely watch your head.
Yeah, okay.
A little bit of a tight squeeze upstairs.
Okay. And then main bedroom.
Yeah, main bedroom, super spacious, large bed, TV, which is nice, and big windows. So it's always nice to have the big windows in here too.
Mm-hmm. That is nice. And lots of storage here.
Lots of storage, lots of space for like clothes and things. And then my suitcases could slide under the bed, which is always nice to get those suckers out of the way too.
Yeah, I agree. Okay. Oh, and a full-length mirror.
A full-length mirror. I'm not used to having one of those, so super excited to get one.
I know, right?
It's always nice to have that.
I feel like I'm always excited as a woman to get a full-length mirror.
Yeah, yeah. And the bathroom, even this mirror is great because
Yeah.
it's super, like, it kind of gets you set back a little bit.
Yeah.
But big bathroom, heated floors that I don't get to use because it's warm, but they would come in super handy in the winter time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
this
newly
is
remodeled.
nice.
Everything is really, really nice.
Yeah, this is really nice. And a big shower.
Yeah.
And it's not a wet shower.
No.
You actually have like glass here.
Yeah. That's nice to have.
That is something that you do find a lot in the Balkans. So
100%.
okay, and then second bedroom.
Yeah, second bedroom. It doubles as an office. So there's 2 twin beds here, but they have them stacked up so that they could put the desk in and an actual office chair.
Oh my God.
You know, you don't get those very often.
That's
either.
amazing.
It's a luxury.
Yeah, when you travel full time and you do as well and work remotely, you know what that's like. That's the one thing that we complain about a lot. I mean, you can go to the co-work though, which you have been doing.
Can go to the co-working, but it's always nice to have something, especially if I was just going to be here for like full 8-hour workday. Yeah. I don't want to be sitting on the couch or on the bed or having to make do somewhere. So definitely comes in handy.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Yeah. And then table
storage
there, storage. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. This is super nice. Okay. And you do have a balcony as well.
I do. Outdoor space is something that I always like to have when I have an apartment.
Yeah.
So it's not huge, but it's outdoor.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can come sit out here. And
oh yeah. Super quiet area in town too. So it's nice to just sit on the balcony some days.
Yeah.
Enjoy the good weather.
Yes. So to wrap up, let's just kind of talk about the location, about where you are, like how you kind of like it, and then also, how happy you are with the apartment that you've rented.
Yeah. So when I was looking for an apartment, I wanted somewhere that was kind of in the middle, and this fit the bill really well because it's a 15-minute walk up to the gondola. It's a 15-minute walk to downtown, but it's still on this side of the river, so it's pretty quiet. Maybe 12 minutes down to Billa for like the big supermarket. And then there's some smaller markets that are close by. But it's really easy to get to and from the market, easy to get to and from co-working spaces. The co-working space I use is about 20 minutes from here, but it's on the other side of downtown and it's not a bad walk at all. But the location is great. I'm very happy that I chose the middle because I have friends that are staying north, friends that are staying south. And that can be a hike if you were on one end or the other. But overall, it's a really quiet area and I can't complain.
Okay.
Can't complain.
Yeah, happy with the apartment. And okay, cool. And then just to note too, we are in low season. So we're here during the summer. So prices do increase here in the winter because this is a ski resort. And then we have noticed that a lot of the price increases are up in the gondola area. So there are still some deals we know that you can find in this area too. So if you're thinking about coming during the winter as well. So, okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for having us over and letting us tour your place. This is really nice, and
thank you guys for coming.
Okay, thank you, Tony. We're creating a hub filled with resources, guides, and exclusive content just for our members, all aimed at making your journey into the slow travel lifestyle as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Okay, so we are here with our friends, Kevin and Carolyn, and they have graciously allowed us to come in and take a tour of their apartment. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath, and it's actually got 2 balconies. And so if we can just kind of get a quick tour, and if you can tell us about how much you've spent for the month, if everything is included, and then we'll just kind of go around and take a look.
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Okay.
And for the price of this place here is 416
€416 per month.
Okay.
And that doesn't include electricity, which this is our first month here, so we don't know exactly what that is going to end up being. But based on previous years, we expect it to be under €50 for the month because the place doesn't have air conditioning.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So not bad.
Yeah, not
and
bad
we
at all.
are kind of in off season, so get a little bit probably better of a price break on that. And you're just here 1 month, right?
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's, I guess, take a look at this kind of your living area. So you've got a really big couch, which is nice.
Super comfy too.
Yeah, I've already sat in it. It's really comfortable. You guys love it, right? Okay, and then nice TV.
Nice TV that we never use.
And then, so they're also working as well. So they're nomads, full-time travelers. So as you can see, they've got their whole setup. So if you've watched some of our videos, you know, Joel and I kind of do the same setup. You know, you just have to kind of work with what you have.
It's good. That table at least is pretty comfortable for work.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we end up eating dinner sitting on the floor with a small coffee table because we're way too lazy to move our stuff.
Yep. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay.
The kitchen is a little small, which is pretty typical of Bansko apartments. We have just the 2 burners. It's like not a lot of counter space. We do amazingly have a dishwasher, which is also super unusual outside of, I think, the US, basically. And mini fridge, which is also pretty typical for Bansko apartments.
What we used. We cook kind of a lot here anyway, and that was.
But we're also super close walk to the store, like 8 minutes maybe to the Bila.
Main Bila here in town, so that's really, really convenient for location for this.
Yeah, so we go to the store regularly, and the mini fridge is fine. And we don't have a washer in this apartment, so a lot of the apartments have the washer in the kitchen area, but there's a laundry place a 10-minute walk from here too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so that's
it's,
good.
I think 12 lev? 12 lev per load of laundry, so about €6 per load of laundry, and they price it by the load, not by the weight.
Oh, okay, interesting. Yeah, I did not know that. That's something new in Bansko. That'll have to go in our guide. Okay, and then you're all kind of equipped though with kind of what you needed. Yeah. Okay, so pretty standard.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so let's then go out to the patio really quick, and just tiny little patio.
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. And again, this is where you'd put your clothes
To
to
if
dry.
we like hand wash things, we use this. And
Yeah.
We like, there's another balcony, which we like a lot more because it's more spacious, but this one is nice this time of day because the other patio faces west and it's, 7 o'clock. The sun is brutal on that patio right now.
Yeah. We've got a nice little entryway, place for coats, shoes, which is nice. And then pretty standard bathroom.
Yeah, maybe a little better than standard with the full bathtub.
Yeah.
A lot of the toilet is very popular in Bulgaria where your shower and your toilet are like in one shared space. So this is not that, which is lovely. And then the kind of triangle, the quarter circle showers are very popular here as well. And those never seem to drain very well. Yeah. So this is, I would say, much better than average bathroom setup for Bulgaria.
Yeah, no, I totally agree. You don't find tubs very often. Yeah. Like in ours, we have basically wet room in both of our bathrooms. So you just kind of got to squeegee up.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a plus. Okay, yeah, cool. All right, and we'll take you into the bedroom. This is actually pretty big.
Yeah, there's a lot of storage.
Yeah, lots of space in the cabinets here. There's Kevin's side, and my side is with the shelves.
Yeah, so you've got a nice big wardrobe, big bed. Is the bed pretty
The bed is
comfortable?
The bed is comfortable, and one thing we really like about our property manager is he knows that flat sheets are the devil because they don't stay on the mattress, which no one else in Bulgaria seems to know that. So we have fitted sheets.
You do?
Here. We do.
Oh,
It's
so
amazing.
jealous.
Fitted sheet.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. He
Those
replaced
exist?
all of the sheets at his apartments with fitted sheets because he's British. So
Okay, that's why.
So that's a big plus.
Oh yeah.
It's the little things.
I know.
We were actually prepared to bring our own sheets this year. I texted him and I was like, do you have fitted sheets? You know, the one with the elastic at the bottom, because I didn't know he was British. I thought probably he was Bulgarian.
Yeah.
And If not, what size is the bed?
Yes,
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's hilarious. Like we've had so many conversations with our other nomad friends about this issue. It's so funny. Like everybody, I mean, Albania too. Like you can't find fitted sheets.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's a random thing. Like,
yeah.
Very weird.
Yes. Okay. Just one of the quirks about nomading, full-time travel, things that you'll run into. Yeah. Okay. And then patio, if you want to go out there really quick.
Yeah,
one more
one
balcony.
Other cool thing is the doors kind of fold out, so you can get a bit of a breeze without having the door open. Yeah. I'm sure there's a name for this thing, but I don't know what it is.
And this is where you guys hang out probably a lot at night. Then.
But not till the sun.
Yeah.
Because it's toasty.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the view is really nice of the Pirin Mountains over that way.
Yep. This is one of the reasons why we come here.
Yeah.
And we've been lucky enough that there was no neighbor almost the whole time we were here.
Okay.
Like only two weekends. On the weekends, yeah. But on the weeks, there's no one.
Okay.
Okay. That's
cool.
Close.
Yeah. Yeah, no, this is a great apartment.
Yeah.
You said you're really happy with it. So
yeah, we like it a lot. We already decided we're coming back next year for 2 months, specifically because I like this apartment. We like this apartment so much. Last year our apartment was like not the best.
Okay.
So now we're like, we can't risk it again. We have to stay. We found a place we like.
Awesome.
So we booked it already.
Yeah. Okay. That's awesome. And the location is great.
Yeah. It's kind of good for getting everywhere. Mm-hmm. Like when Nomad Fest is going on, it's about a 15-minute walk down to the park. It's about a 15-minute walk up to the gondola. Yeah. Kind of everything is about a 15-minute walk. So it's a good central location. Yeah. And then in the more residential part of town, it's a little bit quieter over here also.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And also not on a busy street, which is a nice bonus.
Yeah.
Not right next to a car wash, like one of Kevin's previous
I remember that.
places.
Yeah. All right, so then can you just tell us then a little bit about how you found the place and how you booked it or where?
Yeah, so here there's this website called Bansko Nomad Apartments.
Okay.
That's just for apartments in the area that was set up, I think, by the same guy who originally started Nomad Fest, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So, yeah, it's all Bansko Apartments, and you can search by dates. It's, very simple compared to Airbnb in terms of the design and everything, but it's good. And then you pay, I think, a $20 booking fee. That's how Bansko Nomad Apartments makes their money, and then everything else is handled directly through the property manager after the booking is accepted.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, that's good to know. And then I know a lot of people ask this too, or we run into that. Can you pay cash or card?
It depends on the property manager. Okay. So this year we paid with a bank, with like Wise. Yeah. I think last year we paid with cash.
Yeah, we paid cash.
Okay. But some will take a card. I think it's pretty unusual to have someone take a card.
Yeah.
But there is Airbnb here too, and I think there are good values to find.
Yeah.
Because one downside also I'll add to Bansko Nomad Apartments is there are no reviews. So that's how last year we ended up in a place where the photos looked nice, but then it just didn't quite live up to the photos.
Okay. Yeah. Good to know.
So this year we got much luckier.
Okay, well, thank you guys so much for taking the time to kind of show us around. Gives us an idea of what you can get in Bansko for a 1-month apartment.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
So let us know what you thought of those apartments, and especially if you've imagined staying in one of those for a long period of time, like a month or so. Now, if you are planning on heading to Bansko anytime soon, we've got you covered because we've actually created a quick start guide that'll help you hit the ground running and gives you basically all the basic information you need to know before you go. You can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can find a link in the description below. And if you're interested in seeing more videos about Bansko, we have a ton of videos on our channel that you can check out. And as always, if this video has helped you at all, be sure to give us a like and subscribe, and happy wandering.